Oh, tell me that works. Lefty Lucy. I think that's a little too big. There we go. Now we can kind of see what's up. Wait, why am I bothering? Let's take this one off. Of course, that's a different size. So, unfortunately, since I forgot to turn the microphone back on, there's no audio for these clips. So, I'm going to have to just kind of voice this over. So, if you hear dogs in the background or anything like that, you'll know why. So, the two bolts on the other side ended up giving me too much trouble to do it with the tool I had. So, I'm going to have to come back and do it with some other tools when I get the chance to. As you can see, there's a shield over there for this bike. Not going to put that on. And a windscreen shield, same thing. Not going to put that on, not going to worry about it. But I will show you what it looks like with the shield on it. So here it is, shield on. Looks too policey, copy. I don't like it. Shield. Or no shield. You decide. I don't like it with a shield on it. It obviously isn't a bobber with the shield on it. So I'm just going to leave that off. Anyone who wants a shield, though, there's your picking. Go ahead, take it off my hands. Make me an offer. I do like that blue to clear. I think that's pretty cool. But other than that, I mean, so the other thing I want to see is what happens when I get this front fender off. How will getting this front fender off kind of make the bike look? And if I can see it with it off, I can kind of tell like if I want to shorten it, if I want to keep it the same. It obviously looks kind of cool with it off, but at the same time, it's going to be a lot of work. So in order for it to be off, I have to take these pieces off right here. So you can see this little chrome wing along with that black piece that goes over the top of the wheel. That's got to come off, as well as that little chrome wing on the back of there that holds it in place. So other than that, though, leave a comment in the description. Let me know what you think. Because right now, with it as is, I can't really tell how I want it. But basically, once we get these pieces off, you'll be able to see a lot clearer. Once you get that back piece off, you'll be able to see it a lot clearer. Because right now, you can't really see the vision that I have for this bike, which is kind of annoying to me. But at the same time, it allows me to kind of show you guys what my end goal is. And honestly, after seeing this video as I'm editing it and going through and doing the voiceover for it, I feel like a lot of it I'm actually going to end up leaving the same. A lot of it I feel allowed me to really get a good, clear, crisp picture of what this bike should look like. And a lot of bobbers do have the front fender on it. So I honestly believe I'm going to leave that. I don't think it would be smart to get rid of it. I want to take it off though to kind of see it. And I just noticed this for the first time how old school this speedometer is. It's really cool the way it's turned. You have to turn it in order to zero it out. I thought you just had to press that button. I never realized that. I love the drag style handlebars. And pretty much everything about this bike really just screams I should be turned into a bobber. Now, I know bobbers are notorious for being very unsafe, but they're not. It's all about the rider, in all honesty. So this is your friendly neighborhood motovlogger saying, let me know what you think about all this. Obviously, I had to voice this over and kind of change up the way that I was going to present all this to you guys because of my stupidity turning the microphone back on. I'm also going to be trying a different microphone next time. So let me know what you guys think. But this is your friendly neighborhood motovlogger saying, let me know what you think of this bike. What should I do to it? Leave some comments in the description below. Maybe we can even set up a way for you guys to kind of like put your thoughts in. I would really enjoy that. I think that would be an awesome way to get you guys involved in this build a lot more. I know there's some other motovloggers out there who have done that and really gotten the fans involved in their builds, and I really want that to be the case. I want this to be a build that I do, but at the same time I also want it to be a build where you guys kind of have a say in what I'm doing to it. Not as much as like Jarrett Campese says, or not as much as like his subscribers have a say, but I definitely want you guys to be able to see the end result and have you personally have a say in what happens to this bike as we go further with this build. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have not subscribed already, make sure you like this video, comment on it, and subscribe so that way I can see who is enjoying this build series and if it's even taken off. I mean, I've gotten a lot of views on the other video, but I really want you guys to kind of get more involved.